Hi friends, I'm Anurag Saxena from EOK channel, and today we are learning about Python script on Power BI desktop. For this we are using a very simple table, Indian food. On the right hand side you will see the columns and the data inside it. So we are using two plots today. One is violin plot and one is a simple plot, which we are using to display the cook time over the course. That is, a preparation time will show in a dotted and circle format, and a violin format by region. So let's start with the first one, and let's jump into the Python code. So what Python script will do at first, it will create a data frame for every column which you are using from the data table and storing that in as a data set, and use that data set for dropping the duplicates. And now we are importing a matplotlib library and using pyplot as plt and plt.plot. We'll use that to display the visual and use the x-axis as course. Dataset.course, dataset is our data frame, storing the data frames for these columns. So we'll use as x-axis and y-axis as cook time. And for display, what kind of display you want, you can go into the library and see what kind of display you want. I want a circle one, so it's a O which I'm using, and plt.show, and that's it. A very small and simple code we have written, but it shows a very powerful visual. By clicking on this run, you will see this visual coming up, very strong and very good visual for data scientists to read that. And now come up to this region by preparation time, and here the same thing have happened. The data frame has been stored in data set for the columns from the table, and the data set have dropped the duplicates. And the extra library which we are using here is Seaborn, and for Seaborn, where we want to use the violin plot to display the visual, and we are using region as a x-axis from the data set, and preparation time as a y-axis. And we are using this platelet. For platelet means this is a very powerful visualization using the colors. For x-axis region, I'm using blue, a simple one for all the x-axis, but we can use as a different region, we can show different colors by using dictionary and storing that dictionary into a object and passing that object to platelet instead of blue. So we can show different colors for different region, like east. So east will show green color, north region will show blue color, and so forth. So in dictionary it will create a key for it, like east will be showing the value as green. So whenever it is passed to the object my platelet, and we'll use that as a object by passing to the platelet, it will, instead of blue, it will show the color for different regions and different colors. The only thing which we need to understand is every plot have their own functions and methods. You have to just explore them. And the second thing we are using is labels. Here we are displaying the labels for more it's good for understanding what exactly the visual is trying to show. So we are using preparation time as a label for y-axis, and it will show you how it will display on the visual. So okay, so we can just show plot by this command, and then click on run, and it will show up like this. You see this label is coming like preparation time on the left, and this plot in blue color. So this is all what we need. The only thing which we need to understand, one more thing I want to highlight. So we have to use whenever you use this code, this is always sum up that particular column entries. Instead of sum up, you have to come up here and don't summarize. You have to use don't summarize, otherwise it will sum up the entries, the data, and show you a different kind of data visual on this chart. So that's what not data centers like that. But I would recommend to use not summarize, don't summarize in whatever chart you are using, unless and until it is recommended by or required by your organization. So that's it from my side. Thank you so much.